Congratulations on receiving the DeVilbiss iFill Personal Oxygen Station. The iFill was created to offer you the freedom to get out there and enjoy life on your schedule. No more waiting on cylinder deliveries. You can now fill your oxygen cylinders conveniently, efficiently, and safely in your home. The following information is designed to help you properly use and maintain the DeVilbiss iFill Personal Oxygen Station. This video presentation is intended to complement, not replace, written instructions that accompany your iFill system. Please make sure you read, understand, and follow the information provided in the written instruction guide. Before operating your iFill, you will need to select a suitable location to park the unit in your home. Since the iFill unit is on wheels, it's easy to move. However, to avoid tipping, move the iFill unit using the handle and attempt to travel in a straight front-to-back line like this. Do not transport or move the iFill station with an oxygen cylinder connected to or stored on the unit. The iFill should be placed at least 6 inches away from walls, draperies, or furniture to ensure sufficient airflow to the unit. And you should avoid placing the iFill next to heaters, radiators, or hot air registers. Do not operate your iFill in a closet. Also, do not operate within 5 feet of an open flame or sparking device, such as a fireplace. Once you have placed the iFill in a suitable location in your home, you're ready to conduct your pre-use inspection. The DeVilbiss iFill station can only be used with iFill-compatible oxygen cylinders. If you have cylinders that you used previously, please contact your home health provider to obtain iFill-compatible cylinders. Before connecting the oxygen cylinder to the iFill unit, make sure there aren't any dings, dents, or other signs of damage that might cause the cylinder to be unsafe. Also, examine the connector nipple on the cylinder and the fill connector port on the iFill station to ensure it is free of debris or damage. Once you have ensured that the iFill station and cylinder are in proper working condition, plug your iFill power cord into the wall outlet. Now set the regulator or conserving device on the iFill cylinder to the off position. Remove the protective connector port cap from the iFill unit. Please note that it is important to replace the cap after each use to ensure that the connector area is kept free of debris. Then position the iFill cylinder nipple to dock with the iFill connector port. Once in position, simply press down on the cylinder to click in place. Please note that when using a smaller size cylinder such as an M6, it is necessary to place the iFill connector port cap in its cradle to properly position and support the cylinder. Once properly connected, push the Start/Stop button on the iFill station. The filling indicator light will illuminate while the unit is generating and filling the cylinder with oxygen. Once iFill has filled the cylinder, the full light will illuminate and you can remove the cylinder. To do this, push down on the port collar and lift the cylinder. Please note that it is not uncommon for a burst of air to escape when the cylinder is removed from the iFill. Also, oxygen will escape from the iFill connector for a short period of time after the cylinder has been removed. Please remember to replace the protective connector port cap on the iFill unit. Now you're ready to get out there. Connect your cannula to the outlet fitting on the iFill cylinder regulator or conserving device and turn the flow knob to your prescribed setting. We hope you enjoy your newfound freedom that the DeVilbiss iFill provides. If you should have any questions about the iFill or your oxygen therapy, please contact your home health provider. If you received a cylinder that looks like this, you have a DeVilbiss iFill cylinder that features a pulse dose oxygen conserving device. Unlike a standard regulator that delivers oxygen continuously whether you are breathing in or out, a conserving device delivers oxygen only when you breathe in. The result of using a conserving device is improved delivery of oxygen to the lungs, minimized irritation and dryness in your nose, and a longer lasting oxygen cylinder. The pulse dose conserving device is a 3-to-1 conserving device. This means that your oxygen cylinder will last 3 times longer than if you were using a continuous flow regulator. For the next few minutes, we're going to look at the proper use of the pulse dose iFill cylinder. Your pulse dose conserving device requires 2 AA batteries. You can check the energy level of your battery any time that the conserver is on. You should notice that a green light will flash on the conserver every time you breathe. The green light indicates that there is sufficient battery power. However, if you see a red light flash with each breath, that means there are about 4 to 8 hours of battery life remaining. This would be a good time to replace the batteries. If you should see a solid red light, you need to change the batteries immediately. AA alkaline batteries are a standard battery size, so you should be able to find them at most grocery stores, pharmacies, and hardware stores. If your batteries get too low to operate the pulse dose conserving device, simply turn the flow setting knob to the CF position. This will allow the device to deliver oxygen continuously like a regulator. If you should need to turn the conserving device to this CF position, please note that your cylinder will not last as long. To change the batteries on the pulse dose conserving device, simply open the battery door like this. Remove the 2 AA batteries and replace with new AA batteries. Then close the battery door. It's a good idea to check the condition of the batteries periodically and to carry a new set with you. You can expect a new set of alkaline batteries to last about 200 hours. To use the pulse dose conserving device cylinder, simply attach your standard cannula tubing to the conserver and then to your nose. Then turn the rotary selector to your prescribed flow setting. Then breathe normally. The pulse dose conserver will deliver oxygen on the leading edge of each breath. When you are finished using the iFill cylinder, turn the rotary selector to the off position. The pulse dose conserving device should be kept clean and free from moisture and dust. You can clean the device periodically by wiping it with a dry, lint-free cloth. Do not clean your pulse dose conserving device with any solvent-based cleaning solutions. The pulse dose conserver outer plastic case is made from an impact-resistant material, but care should be taken not to drop the unit. If you should have any questions about your pulse dose conserving device or the DeVilbiss iFill, please refer to your product's instruction guide or contact your home health dealer provider.